we are heading to work. Ayan. I'm only 2 minutes away from the school. So, right now, the time is, let me see. 7:36 na, guys. Ay, naku, ayan. So, yung call time talaga namin is 7:50. And then, hindi namin pinapapasok yung mga bata until 8:20. Yan. So, I'm a little early. But, yung ano ko talaga, prefer ko talaga na time is 7:30. Yun talaga yung gusto kong time na dumadating ako sa work. Pero it's okay. At least I'm not late. Ay, nako. Right, Daddy?
What?
Yes. How are you, Daddy? Nandito kami sa park ngayon, sa playground ngayon. Naglalaro yung mga bata. Recess time nila.
I need to get gas. I gotta put gas in this car. We still got time. I'll get the gas first. And then these are stuff I want to get notarized.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Actually, dadaan pa kami ng gas station. Magpapagasolina ang asawa ko, ayan, dyan sa BJ's. Tapos, pupunta kami ng bangko kasi magpapanotarize ang asawa ko. And then after that, my husband wants to treat us to the movie. Yeah, sobrang easy peasy today, guys. Ang bait-bait ng mga mga bata. Yeah. I feel like I didn't work at all.
When he was in high school, I was a helping assistant coach. I forgot how old I was then, maybe 38, 40, whatever.
Yeah.
And so I started playing scrimmage with them. And all of a sudden, my whole body went, ooh, pain as I like.
Naka-jacket na naman kami. Kasi malamig. May nakita kami dito, guys. Pero parang may nakita ako na ganito sa Amazon, $7 lang. Dito they're selling it for $11 something. By the way, nandito kami nandito kami sa restroom ng Hobby Lobby. 75% off for these fake flowers. Dali kay, we are running out of time. We're trying to hurry up. Oh, may nakita na naman siya, guys.
More bigger.
No, this is bigger than Lucy.
This is not bigger than Lucy's. Because the head, Lucy's head is bigger. I miss Lucy.
Where's Lucy?
We shipped her. I miss
Oh, she's enjoying in her cruise.
her with her brother.
Yeah. How do I look?
Look younger. And you're kind of nerdy with the
Nerdy daw.
I'm not supposed to be parked over here.
Okay. Alright, come on, let's go. Balik kami dito, guys, sa Gongcha. Yan, dito kami bumibili ng boba. What did you order, Rachel?
What did I order? I ordered the milk tea, the pearl milk tea.
Yeah. We got the large one. Ito, guys.
It's really good. No wonder why people like dried milk tea.
2,000 years later.
guys, good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, November 20, 2024. And the time right now is 3:33 p.m. So we are heading to the, what do you call the place lang? They call it sorry. Yeah, so anyway, I am going to update my my state ID. Ayan. They close at 4, but we are how many minutes? 6 minutes away from there. So we're gonna take care of it today while we still have time, and then perhaps after we finish, we're gonna go straight to the bank kasi magpapanotarize kami ng papers na kakailangan ng asawa ko for his permanent visa para sa Pilipinas. 2 minutes na lang tayo, guys. Ayan. So, yeah, we are very close to our moving date na yun, guys. Yeah, we are just trying to finish all the requirements for my husband's application para sa kanyang permanent visa. Ayan, so yeah, but the days are getting shorter. Say hi, Daddy. You didn't say hi yet. Say hi, Rachel.
Hi, guys, look.
What do you call that?
Definitely trying to be the trending star right now. So yeah, this is called the fidget poppet spinner. You can do this. I'm sure you guys know about this, and it spins really fast. And you can also pop the front and then turn it right here and then pop.
So tapos na kami sa guys, sa state ID ko. Nakuha ko na kaagad. And right now the time is 4:43. Papunta kami ng ng bangko para mag-notarize. They close at 5, pero i-try lang namin kung makarating kami doon before they close. So hopefully matapos namin ang aming business. Charot. Hello guys, katatapos lang namin magpa-notarize. Yan. So lucky thing guys, kay open pa yung bangko. At least natapos na namin ang mga pa-notary dyan. So, yeah, after that, ano pa Daddy? Oo, may appointment pa nga pala si Daddy on the 21st, 26th, and then after that, wala na. Na lang kami, mag-prepare na lang kami, and then, we're not sure if, yung anak ng asawa ko na lalaki will come here to pick up the car, or we might have to drive to New York to drop the car off sa sa bahay nila. Ayan. So, we'll see. We're gonna share with you guys kung ano yung updates sa aming plano. Yan. So, we're heading home now.